Hey there! In this video, I'm going to show you how to teach a child to make the SH sound. So for this one, I really like to start with the S sound first and get a really good S established. So if you haven't done that yet, go back and watch the S video and use some of those strategies because those are going to be very helpful when you're establishing the SH sound. So for the articulation approach, we're going to start by just saying shh by itself. We're not going to say it in words right away. And we're going to establish a really good position before we move up. So I have a couple strategies for you here. These are from the Lisp webinar that we have inside this membership. So you can access that if you need more information on all of these sounds. But this is specifically the SH one. So we're going to just jump to these. So this picture up here is the square lips. This is what we like to use to start our mouth position for both R and SH. So if you can see my mouth here, it's not an ooh, we're not all the way rounding down, and it's not an E, it's kind of halfway in between. So it's this. You can see it's kind of a square. It's kind of a square. So we can use a mirror, have them sit down in front of a mirror and just work on getting that position. We can use our fingers, their fingers, however we need to give them those cues and get that position first. And then often, so this is the second strategy on my list, often all I need to do is have them make that lip position and the sound kind of shapes itself. So if we start with an S and then we go shh and we get the lips, their mouth kind of already shapes it into that position and that's all they need. And if that's all they need, great. Then we have them practice that way before moving on to vowels. But if that doesn't work, we have a couple other strategies to try. Okay. So if they are making it laterally, meaning the air is going over the sides of their tongue like this, and it's real slushy sounding, maybe there's a lot of spit coming out, then we can help them establish some tongue stability by starting with the E sound. So if you say it right now, when you say E, the sides of your tongue push up against your upper teeth. You can help them feel that by using a lollipop or a tongue depressor or something to give them some feedback on the sides of their tongue. So have them stick out their tongue and do this. And then say, now say E, E, and then say, okay, the spots that I touched, where is that spot of your tongue touching in your mouth? It should be touching those upper back molars. So if we help them feel where their tongue is there, then we can help them establish that tongue stability and say that's where our tongue needs to stay for the SH sound too. So we can have them hold that tongue position, E, and then just square up the lips to say E, and have them blow that through. If that doesn't work, we can have them whisper their E sound. So we can say E, and that's really close to the right position. Then all we need to do is square up those lips. Okay. So those are some suggestions. We can also start with an H and then bite the molars together, round the lips to square. It's not perfect, but it's closer. So if we can get them close and then help them shape back into the SH, that's going to be great. Another one is to have them say the S and the Y sounds in sequence. So we say S, Y, S, Y. Then have them whisper the Y, S, yeah, S, yeah. And then have them glide between them. S, yeah, S, yeah. So you can hear there's a little bit of an SH in there if we have them do that sequence. So we can start with that and then again, work towards a better SH. Okay, the last strategy I have then is to make the E sound, hold that tongue position and pant like a dog and then square the lips. So we're going to start with E, hold that position and then pant. And then square the lips. And you can hear it almost gets into that SH. Then we can shape it from there. Okay, so those are the strategies we have for SH. Let me get back out of here. Once you find one that works for the child, then you're going to have them practice that SH sound over and over again. Shh, 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 shh. When they can consistently say the sound by itself, then we can start pairing it with vowels. So we can say sha, shaw, sha, or we can flip it around. Ush, osh, ash. Have them practice that. There's 2 pages of those. Once they can do all of those very consistently, we can move on to having them say the SH sound in single words: shell, share, show. We have SH at the beginning, SH in the middle, and SH at the end. And you can use whichever one is easiest for them first and then go to the others. Once they can do the SH consistently in single words, then we move up to short phrases: shiny fish, clean shirt. Then we can move on to sentences. So stay at each of these levels for as long as the child needs. You may have to work on each phase for quite a while before they're ready to move up. But once you get through with sentences and they can use it consistently in sentences, you have 2 choices. So at this point, you can go back and work on a different sound and see if they start to generalize that SH on their own. Or you can go ahead and work on the SH in conversation. And we have a link down below this video for how to work on skills in conversation, so you can use that as well. Okay, there's more resources down below, so keep on scrolling.